Millionaires and billionaires are both considered rich, but how can you tell the difference between them without knowing their net worth? Both groups love their properties, go on fancy vacations, and splurge on cars and fashion. But while a millionaire may spend $15 million on a small 6- or 8-seater private plane, a billionaire might spend $500 million on a much larger private jet. Similarly, a millionaire might purchase a penthouse in Manhattan, while a billionaire might go ahead and buy a large mansion in Bel Air. So in this video, we are going to show you how millionaires and billionaires spend their money. Before we start though, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, subscribe to Tech Division, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Now, let's get started. How they spend on real estate. It's no surprise that the wealthy love buying penthouses or even manors in foreign countries. For a millionaire, a home would mean something like this breathtaking Spanish-style estate in Rancho Santa Fe, California. The 9,031 square foot home has 5 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, including a large living room, a gourmet kitchen, a home theater system, a wine cellar, and an 8-car garage. It also has a cute lagoon-style swimming pool with a rock grotto and slide, a barbecue space, and a fire pit. All this costs a cool $8.9 million, which is exactly what a millionaire would go for. A billionaire, on the other hand, would choose an estate similar to billionaire Lachlan Murdoch's Chartwell Mansion, a chateau-style home in Bel Air, California. The opulence mansion was built in 1933 and is a 25,000 square foot mega residence with 11 bedrooms, 18 bathrooms, and 12,000 bottle wine cellar and a 75-foot swimming pool. The perfectly landscaped estate features gardens designed by famous French interior designer Henri Samuel. This super luxury mansion costs $195 million and is the most expensive home in the USA as of 2019. Luxury cars. They say you can easily tell a billionaire from a millionaire just by looking into their garage. A millionaire could easily own a Lamborghini, like the custom $350,000 SUV Lamborghini Urus owned by Kanye West. If they're looking for a fancier car, then a millionaire might just buy the $1 million Aston Martin Valhalla or the $2.7 million Mercedes-AMG supercar, which comes with a top speed of 217 miles per hour and an acceleration of 0 to 112 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. When you're a billionaire, your car of choice would be nothing less than a 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO, like the one sold to WeatherTech founder and CEO David McNeil. McNeil paid $70 million for one, making it the world's most expensive car as of 2018. A billionaire could also go for a Rolls-Royce Sweptail at $17.5 million, or a Bugatti La Voiture Noire at $18.7 million. Super yachts. Both millionaires and billionaires love owning yachts, but it's the price and size that separate the two. A millionaire would most likely go for a prestige 360 motor yacht. They cost about $2 million and are around 62 feet long, which is pretty decent if you ask us. Check out tennis ace Rafael Nadal's Sunreef 80 Power super yacht, which he got for $6.2 million. But would a billionaire be happy with that? No way. For a billionaire, the beautiful Eclipse super yacht would be a better fit, like the $1.5 billion one owned by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich. If that isn't impressive enough, a billionaire might choose something like the magnificent solid gold $4.8 billion History Supreme owned by Robert Nock. At 100 feet long, it is currently the world's most expensive and largest super yacht. Private superjets. You would never find millionaires or billionaires flying coach, as they prefer flying on private jets. A millionaire might be happy with a smaller plane unless they're someone like Tom Cruise. With a net worth of $570 million, Cruise pilots his own World War II P-51 Mustang, which he purchased for $4 million. John Travolta also owns a beast of a plane, a customized Boeing 707-138, which cost him $4 million. But compare those to the planes owned by the big boys and they just look like toys. Jeff Bezos of Amazon owns a 8-seater Gulfstream G650 which costs $65 million. Similarly, Elon Musk owns a $70 million Gulfstream 650ER. The most expensive private jet plane in the world is the 747-8i Boeing Business Jet. It's currently the world's largest private jet in active operation and costs $370 million. Once inside, you'll find it hard to decide if you're in an airplane or a mansion. Their vacations. Let's take a look at where millionaires vacation. Check out George Clooney, for example. Clooney loves vacationing on this North Island resort, which is an exclusive 11-villa property that costs approximately $11,000 a night, plus an additional $10,000 for food and entertainment. Grammy winner Sting loves relaxing at his 900-acre Tuscan Villa Pelagio in Florence, Italy, which he also rents out to others for $67,000 a week. When it comes to billionaires, Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg likes to jet off to Hawaii and stay at his 357-acre Kahu'aina plantation, which he purchased for $66 million. Richard Branson owns his own private island, which has one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. The Virgin Group founder, worth $5.1 billion, heads off to Necker Island in the British Virgin Islands in his free time. He purchased the island for $180,000 back in 1978, but today it is worth a cool $100 million. The island resort features an opulent 10-bedroom Balinese villa and is also rented out to Branson's pals for a whopping $102,500 per day. Their jewelry and private purchases. Whether you're a millionaire or a billionaire, every rich person loves to indulge in purchasing jewelry, trinkets, clothes, and watches. When it comes to millionaires, you most likely will find a lady sporting a bag like Kim Kardashian's Himalayan Birkin, which is made from crocodile leather and worth around $100,000. Actor Justin Theroux owns a $12,000 biker jacket by Mastermind Japan. David Beckham is proud of his Black Bay Bronze, a bold 43mm diver's watch by Tudor that cost $4,500. Millionaires can end up spending anywhere between $5,000 and $50,000 on clothes and accessories in a month, but when you're a billionaire, the purchases can go over the top. On any given day, a billionaire would be sporting some of the most expensive clothes and accessories on their bodies. One option is the Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime Watch, an accessory that costs $31 million and is one of the world's most expensive watches. Another choice would be the Italian crocodile leather handbag by Maison Borini Milanese, called the Parva Mia, which at $7.8 million is the world's costliest bag. If you take into account other articles of clothing like the $2 million X Air Jordans or a $778,290 Stuart Hughes Diamond Edition suit, then a billionaire could easily spend $134,601 or more on their daily wardrobe. Can you believe this is how the world's wealthiest spend their money? If you were impressed after watching this video, then why not hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Division for more amazing videos. Till next time.